You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I'll be bringing you this cryptocurrency video. In today's video, I'll be talking about Binance Launchpool and how you can participate in the recent Launchpool right here, DAR on Binance. So watch the video to the end while I go through the step-by-step process in which you can participate in this very particular Launchpool right here on Binance. If you have not subscribed to this channel, Remit Trade, please help subscribe to this channel. Hit that like button and don't forget to turn the bell notification. Then if you're also new to the channel, please check the channel. You will see all the informative and the educational content that will help your trading methods. So let's dive right into the video. Remember, today, like I said, is going to be very practical and I'm going to guide you through the step-by-step guide on how to participate on this recent Binance Launchpool. Let's get right in. The first thing you have to understand is there is a difference between Binance Launchpad and Binance Launchpool. Binance Launchpad is a token launch platform where blockchain developers seek to raise funds. So Binance raised the fund for them so that they can actually execute and complete their projects. But Binance Launchpool was created by Binance in the year 2020 September, and it was created during the rise of decentralized finance, that is DeFi. And then Binance Launchpool is a crypto financial services that allows users, in this case Binance users, to stake their cryptocurrency assets to provide funds into the liquidity pool and then get a reward in return. So the process in which Binance user or any other platform provide cryptocurrency assets into a liquidity pool in anticipation to get a reward in return is called a yield farming. In this case, on Binance, we call it Binance Launchpool. So you have to understand the difference between Binance Launchpad and Binance Launchpool. So if you want to participate in this very particular Binance Launchpool right now, going on Binance, first of all, I'll advise you go through what the pool is by clicking on this icon right here. So you go through what the pool is. So we have, in this case, Delane right here, which is DAR. And you have to go through the pool itself, the name of the token, and the maximum token supply, which is 800 million DAR. And the total pool reward is going to be 24 million DAR, which is 3% of the maximum token supply. And we have the initial circulating supply, which will be released immediately after listing, is 123,200 million DAR. And you have to understand that this very particular token run on both the ERC20 protocol and the BEP20 protocol. So this is very, very important. No upper limits. It does not limit you to the number of coin you can stake. You can stake as much coin as you want, and then you have to understand that KYC is a must. KYC is required. That means you have to do your KYC on Binance and get yourself verified before you can actually participate in this very particular launch pool. We have the pool that are supported right here. We have BNB pool and BUSD pool. You see BNB pool right here, we have 19,200 million DAR in reward. Well, that is 80%, and we have BUSD pool, which is 4,800,000 DAR in reward, which is 20% of the total allocation. The farming period usually lasts for 30 days. Okay, and this is the DAR farming distribution at this very point right here. So the total distribution is here, and then on this very date as well, we have 500,000 distribution as well. So this is the BNB pool and this is the BUSD pool. So you have to also take note of this very particular information right here. Don't rush. Ensure you read this very particular information and get yourself acquainted. If you want to stake your coin to earn this very DAR on Binance, all you need to do is, first of all, you have to be a Binance user. Then you verify your account. After verification, go to this area. Then you go to Binance Launchpad. So here right here, click on Binance Launchpad. And then on this very page, you see Binance token launch platform. If you go down, if I scroll down, you see Launchpool. Okay, so right there we see DAR Launchpool farming ongoing right now. So you can put your coin in any of these pools. Like I said earlier, we have BNB pool and BUSD pool. So these are the two pools that we'll have for this very particular farming, that is farming of DAR. So all you need to do is you must have BNB in your spot wallet or BUSD in your spot wallet. All you need to do is to click here, stake now, or you stake your BUSD here as well. And you have to know that right now we have 10 million BNB that have been staked already in this very particular pool, and we have also 1 billion BUSD that have been staked already in this very particular pool. So you have to consider the rates that if you are staking BNB and BNB drops, your BNB will reduce also as well, but the reward will still be given to you. And also, you know, BUSD is a stable coin, which is Binance USD. It does not increase or decrease in value. So we also have the time for farming. Here we have 25 days and 18 hours, 24 minutes left for this farming period to end. So if you want to participate in this very particular farming period, is right now. All you need to do is to log into your account, go to Launchpad, and then stake your BNB if you have BNB in your spot wallet, or you stake BUSD if you have BUSD in your spot wallet. Now, when Binance completes this very particular farming, everything will be returned back to your spot wallet. Both the BNB you stake or the BUSD you stake will be returned back to your spot wallet, and also the DAR that was given to you as a result of farming this very particular token will also be sent back automatically into your spot wallet as well. You can as well, at the end of the pool, come to this very page and, you know, claim your reward. So that is how you can participate on Binance Launchpool. So let's say, for example, in this case, I want to stake BUSD, for example, into the BUSD pool. All I need to do is to click on stake here. So once I click on stake here, you see it will bring me to this very page. Now, the time for listing of DAR on Binance remain 2 days and 2 hours. Now, this is not the time for farming, because during the farming process, Binance is going to list DAR and people will start trading it. So in the process of the farming, it will now be traded on Binance. 2 days, 2 hours, and 23 minutes remaining for DAR to be listed. So those that have provided liquidity for this process of farming will be getting DAR before the listing date, but you can't, you know, sell your DAR because Binance will not release it until the end of the farming process. So all you need to do right now, if I choose BUSD pool, is to go right there and I click stake. So once I click stake right here and I click max right here, then I click stake. Once I click stake right here, you see successfully staked BUSD. So I've staked BUSD for this very particular pool. It's as simple as that. So that is how you stake on Binance Launchpool. Remember, Binance Launchpool is a new cryptocurrency financial service that allow Binance users to stake their cryptocurrency asset to provide funds into the liquidity pool to get reward in return. The reward you're getting in return must be the coin that is to be listed on Binance. In this case, we have DAR. Okay, so that is how you participate in this very particular current Binance Launchpool. Like I said earlier, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please help subscribe to this channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification. And then if you've not registered on Binance, okxcrypto.com, check the link in the description of this video and do your registration right away. And if you want to enroll for the Remit Trade Intensive and Expository Cryptocurrency Training and Mentorship Program, check the description of this video right now and you see contact and WhatsApp us immediately and get into class. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.